Good day everyone, I go by the name Skyward. You can see this video. I am an affiliate marketing coach and I train people on how to make money online. Presently I'm teaching people on how to make money on Clickbank. And so as you can see, this is really giving me great sales. So to earn big money like this, contact me on my Gmail at skyward.gmail.com. But first, watch my video to see what I have for you. Thank you. Good day everyone, I go by the name Skyward. If you can see this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel. As you all know, I am an affiliate marketing coach. I train people on how to make money online, and I'm still training people on how to make money on Clickbank. So this is the account of one of my students that I've trained. He got my software and video course on the 17th, and he started using it the same day, but started getting sales the following day, 18th, as you can see on the screen. So my software is very effective and it starts working immediately. You set it up and start promoting your affiliate marketing page. So we all know that my software is also applicable to other affiliate marketing platforms like JVZoo, and it's very effective. And my video course will guide you step by step on how to use my software to get sales like this on any of your affiliate marketing platform. So to get my software video course and start earning big money like this, contact me on my Gmail at skyward.gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyward.gmail.com or text me on the number you can see on the screen on Telegram to get my software video course and start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Also, if you are getting my software video course, I'm going to create a Clickbank account for you, not minding your country, because there's restriction on some countries. If you try to create it yourself, sometimes maybe your country is restricted, you won't be able to create the account. So I'm going to create a Clickbank account for you. My video course will guide you step by step on how to earn big with my software, and you are good to go. Yes, I'm a student, I'm always accessible. If you have any question or you need me to guide you, I guide my students. Also, I manage accounts for students also. I have people that are in charge of that here. So if you are getting my software video course and you need me to manage your account, you are going to manage your account, and that costs a extra charge. So to get my software video course, remember you can always contact me on my Gmail at skyward.gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. So contact me today and get the software and get started. Enjoy the click of the smart ones that are making edge in affiliate marketing platform, because you know about the hard work, about the smart work and the chances to take. So get my software and start earning big today. Thank you.